Okay, hello future developers. Welcome to another tutorial at BCD. Okay, so today we'll learn to use the brush tool. So as you can see here, so the brush tool that should be the pattern brush tool or the brush pattern tool. Okay, so you can see what we have here. Okay, like a pattern. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to let me delete this project. Okay, and then let me just design something simple. So just something simple. Okay. Um, like this. Okay. You can decide to. So I'm using gradient, but let me rather use a fill. Okay, so let me use a fill for all of them. Okay, just so. Um, so okay, and then let me give it some color like this. I think this should be okay. Okay, we are not actually doing anything. I just want to demonstrate something. So that said, I'm going to group this. So Control, or better still, let me just copy this. Control C, Control F, then I'll bring it here while holding Shift. Then let me reflect it this way and try to merge them, not merge but join them here, and then give them different color. So I'm going to give this let's give it any color. So let's say this color, and I'm going to give this circle, this oval, this color. Okay, it doesn't look any like we are not actually working on design or like colors. Okay, I just want to demonstrate something. So now with how to group, so highlight all and then group, Control G, and then I would have to hit F5 on the keyboard. So F5 on the keyboard. Then I'll click here, then go to new brush. And I'm going to pattern brush. Okay, so click OK. Then click on pattern. Sorry. And I'll click on OK. So you can see what is generated. So you can decide to work on like tweak the properties here. Okay. Then that should be it. Or you can leave it that way. So I'm just going to click OK. Okay. So now what I can do is let me just draw. So let me pick the arc tool and then just draw something like this. And let me increase the size here. Okay. Then I can just come and click here to get this pattern. I can decrease the stroke so that it looks more interesting. So you can see we have a pattern brush here. Okay, so you can pick any. So let's say I want spiral. And I draw. Okay, and I'll just click on the brush tool. The pattern I just created. Okay, so you can see the interesting shape that is being created here. So you can see the interesting shape or pattern that is being created here. Okay. You can similarly do that for circle. Okay, so circle. Okay, so just the stroke, and then I can just click on this. I should get this, and then just reduce the stroke size. Okay, so you get an interesting pattern. Okay, so this is how to use the pattern brush tool. So thank you.